熊大金，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双节棍呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。
我们就要去捉鸡了，
小鸡们，你们可要小心了！
我们是小鸡不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
哼，看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快快快，演出开始啦！快点快点！
What? Youth is totally too valuable to waste, man. But kung fu cannot be neglected. Huh? Looking for a sheepdog. Ha! Sounds interesting. Dude, a kung fu chicken like me's better than a dog any day of the week. You can bet your pocket money on that. Whoa! Anybody there? Anybody in there?
Me? But who are you?
Dude, my name's Free Range and I'm here to apply for the job.
We're looking for a sheepdog, not a chicken.
Dude, don't underestimate me, man. I'm not just a chicken.
Oh, nice muscles. It's a pity you're a chicken and not a dog.
Aw, hey, come on, dude. Give a guy a chance, won't you?
Sorry, no.
Dude, give me a break.
All right then.
Dude, that's fantastic. I so totally will not disappoint you, man. The flame inside never dies.
Come on, my boy. One day on probation. I'm not too sure about this.
Aw, chill, dude. Don't worry. I've got it all under control.
Ah, so you want to be a shepherd? Come on, Glutton, let's slide into the fold.
Okay. This is our ranch.
Whoa, there's like tons of sheep, man.
You're not on vacation. Your task is to protect the sheep, put them out to pasture, and shear them all at regular intervals. Now look behind you. There's a hill. Standing there, you have a panoramic view of the ranch. Remember, pay attention to those rare species. They're precious. That's it. I'm going to continue to graze. We have good work conditions and good pay for all our employees. But don't do anything wrong.
What's gonna happen?
You'll be fired with no pay.
Oh.
Okay, that's all I have for now. Good luck.
All right, time to get to work.
Hey, Slim, there's only Free Range, but he's the toughest of them all.
That's right, but I've got a plan. Now you go and get a sheep, and we're gonna use them as bait to capture Free Range. Yes, we are.
Uh-huh.
36, 37. Whoa, oh my goodness. Like, I thought there were supposed to be 38.
Good job, Glutton.
Oh, that's nothing.
But this sheep looks silly. Do you think this is a normal sheep? Is it healthy? There's so many different animal diseases.
Well, he just followed me back. Well, I don't think it's gonna be a problem.
Then go and lure Free Range here. I'm gonna set up.
Well, why me again?
Because I'm the older brother, and that makes me the boss.
I wish I was born earlier.
Stop dilly-dallying, or I'm gonna smash you into the ground.
Following these footprints, I can find the missing sheep for sure. Huh? Glutton!
Free Range, run!
Dude, you've got to be the one who stole my sheep! Get back here! Hold up, dude! You better give me that sheep back! Hey!
No!
You're gonna regret it, man! You might want to rethink that decision!
That sounds like Glutton! Free range is coming!
Dude! I gotcha now!
Free range!
Huh?
Look over here!
Huh? Whoa! The sheep!
Put down your weapon and surrender, or I'm gonna cut this rope!
What am I gonna do?
Do you hear me? I'm running out of patience!
Oh, wait! I've got this idiot in my clutches. You want exchange?
Exchange hostages? Oh!
Slim, help me!
Glutton! Glutton, I want to be a real weasel and eat chicken! Okay! Glutton! Glutton!
Slim!
Hey, don't leave the flock again, man. You know, we're lucky Slim agreed to the exchange of hostages. Whoa. I'm bored to tears. I can't take this anymore, man.
Free range is over there! Glutton, come on!
Okay.
Free range, you can't get away from me this time!
Oh, free range is gonna be so tasty.
Oh, I am bored out of my skull, man. Rest breeds rust! Come on, dudes, let's get some exercise in. That's good for your digestion. Let's go!
What's going on?
I don't really know. Kinda looks silly though, don't it?
Let's go, my fluffy amigos!
Free range, I'm not done with you yet! No, I'm not!
Whoa, slowly losing the will to live, man. I gotta think of... Hey, I got it! Body checks! That's it! Let's do it! Life's too short! No time to lose, man! Ah, alright! Alright, you're doing really well. Now you, dude. It's like, you need to eat more. Big time!
Look! There goes free range!
Hey, Slim, what's free range doing over there?
Glutton, I don't care what he's doing. With this weapon, we can capture free range for sure this time. Come on! Let's go get him! Charge!
Where'd he go?
He's over there! Get him! Charge!
Look, he's over there! Yeah!
You can't get away from me!
I'm tired. Since I can't catch him, I'm just gonna wait for him right here. You're not getting away from me this time, free range.
Ah, alright. I guess I better speed up. It's getting late. The flame inside never dies!
Free range, you're going nowhere!
There's free range. Check this out. Why is it you, Slim? Are you alright?
Right. Haha. Now it's time for me to shear some sheep. I've got the scissors and I'm ready for action. Here we go. Who's first? Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Coming through. Another satisfied customer. One down. 37 to go.
What's free range doing now?
Whatever! This time, we're gonna fight him face to face! We're gonna catch him for sure!
That's right, Slim.
For the honor of the Weasel family!
Yeah. Whoa. All right, next. Huh? Like, you want me to do it at the same time, man? Oh, well, let me see. Ah, I got it. Like, you guys are thinking I'm probably going too slow, right? I know. I got the same feeling myself, man. So, okay. All right, I'm gonna show you my true colors, man. Come on. Yeah! Matchless whirling sheer! Whoa! Like, these are much more effective than I thought.
Oh my, that hurts! Free range, this is not the end!
Look, Slim, you got a new outfit there. Look at yourself.
You moron! Zip your mouth, or you'll be sorry! You pesky chicken! Yeah!
Don't wait for me, Slim.
Not bad. New hairstyle, huh? Huh? Hey, what are they doing there?
We're here to catch chickens, you stupid sheep! And you better stay out of our way!
Yeah, stay out of our way, you stupid sheep.
What? Stupid sheep?
You two dudes looking for anybody I know? Allow me to apologize for having kept you waiting.
My words will be back!
You're the first chicken to ever qualify as a sheepdog on our ranch. Congratulations.
That's cool.
I hope you wear it with pride and remember us back here on the ranch.
Whoa, Shepherd Chicken Man, that's awesome! Thanks! I'm so honored!
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛，热气就轰隆隆加马力，这是最冒险的 party。爱冒险的伙伴们来 happy， 我会手猛地抓住一道霹雳。 不管是在夏威夷或南极，我在哪里就有冒险 party， 深呼吸，躲开陷阱，一起踩着绿豆在火上滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起胸，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
这是哪里？正待在鲸鱼肚